In this video, I will show you how to remove sync Gmail contacts on Android phone. So to get started, go ahead and open settings into your device. And then once you're on your settings, go ahead and look for Google. So scroll down and look for Google, click on that, and then in here, go ahead and head over into the All Services tab. So click on that All Services tab, and then from here, go ahead and look for Contacts, specifically Google Contacts Sync. So click on that once you find that. So you'll find that under the backup and restore section. And then in here, click on this. And then make sure to disable this. And that is how you can basically remove sync Gmail accounts on Android phone.